Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to view the FAQs in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not logged into Tinder, simply log in. Right here, as you want to log into FAQs, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. On the browser, simply type tinder.com/FAQ and simply hit on enter. Then this page will open up. That is the frequently asked questions. Well, you can scroll down and look at all the options. And in case you want more detailed information, what you can do is simply go to your profile and just scroll down to the very bottom. Here you'll see something like help and support. Click on this tab right here that says help and support. And in this page, simply search for whatever help you want. And guys, that's it. That's how we view the FAQs in Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.